on the roof. We are going on the highway, right? Yeah, we are. Okay. Oh, shit. Test my brakes, test my brakes, test my brakes, test my brakes, test my brakes. What's up, y'all? It's on me, right? First of all, this is gonna be the first video for this channel. If you came from my other channel, I appreciate you. If you're new here, then you wouldn't know about the other channel. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because we got a lot more videos coming. This is the first video, so that means you're the first person to this channel. So you might as well get your first, what is it called? Like your first, like you could say you're one of the first subscribers. If you subscribe now, you can say you was one of the first subscribers to this channel. Anyways, we're going to a meet right now, a car meet. I was gonna make my first video about my car, but I'm gonna do that in the next video. And in the next video, I'll tell you guys everything I got planned for my car. But this video is just gonna be a car meet, so yeah. I'll see y'all when we get there. Yo, so we'll record the scenery. There's a lot more Volkswagens over here than I thought there was gonna be. So, and we got a 14-minute drive. I'm gonna record a little bit of the drive just so y'all can see. There's some really fast cars here. And there's an Audi with us too. So there's what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 of us. That's that boy say. That's on. Is that his car? Are we rolling?
Oh, that's nice.
Y'all can go ahead.
That's a, what? Something 3? Okay. I'm putting this side up.
Dang, and it's raining, y'all. It's fucking raining, man. It's fucking. It's only supposed to rain for a little bit when it does. Yeah, somebody should sound nasty. Who's raining, y'all? This is actually disgusting. Whose car is that in the middle?
Yes, please, go away.
Yo, what? What the fuck? Alright, y'all, I wasn't gonna record, but this time I am gonna record because I don't want to miss nothing. First of all, get this disgusting ass weather. It's nasty. It's not supposed to rain long though.
Yeah, but now it's just gonna be muggy. Wait, so we're going to.
Look, Volkswagens. This blue is nice. Make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all like the video. So first of all, while we sitting here waiting, for every 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna add something to my car. Okay? It rained as soon as the car show was supposed to start. Like, what? Florida's a hating ass state. Florida waits for you to be wanting to do something, and then it'll start raining on you. And then it'll stop as soon as you think about changing your plans, or as soon as you like, it's already ruined, you know? Fucked up ass state. Like, what is this, bro? Tired of this, grandpa. What should be my first upgrade for my first, like, if I get an upgrade every 1,000 subs, I should start at 0. So I gotta upgrade it. Maybe I'll do coilovers.
Stop it. Get some help.
When I wrap my car, what color should I do it? I should wrap a motorcycle. I think I might change my profession, y'all. I might change my profession to hating. Look at this dirty ass blue truck right here. Look at it. Funky ass blue truck. Who buys a blue truck? Am I good? Am I starting off good?
No. No.
Think I'll get paid off of this shit? 10 likes, I'll dunk on LeBron James. You always gotta have a ball in the car just in case a nigga wanna get crossed, you know what I'm saying? Just in case a nigga want a bucket. Boring meets, but when we pull up to a good meet, now all of a sudden it wanna rain.
I like it. Do look like it's about to clear out though, and I will sit here until it does.
I need new wipers. Like really bad actually. Would it stop raining? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. If you don't, I don't care. I just put out here. Lick my no hands, no hand. All right, yo, real quick. It's raining. The line's not damn moving, and it's raining. If it's raining when we park, I won't be able to record till it stops raining because my camera's not waterproof. Okay, cars near. Camera woman, cars. This is gonna be their best shot to see them because it is raining. Look at this one. That's cool.
They just standing out in the rain.
Yeah, we might not get out the car, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm not getting out. I'm really not. These are the BMWs. I should have had the camera on from the beginning.
Yo,
come down to the end.
alright. What the hell? I'm a park regular, bro. Yeah, you record the...
Yeah, there might be too many people.
Yeah.
There's still people behind you.
Yeah, I got 3 behind me. Or 2 or 3.
You can't really see through them.
Just park. You might want to push down so we're all like next to each other, you know? Y'all, as y'all can see, it is El Retente. It is El Retente. When it stops raining, I'll record, but I didn't know it was gonna rain. I was gonna record the whole thing, but I didn't know it was gonna rain. So whenever it stops raining, I'll record. Yeah. My fault. Right here. Never see one?
That's the M.
I might give me one. Hey, where'd they go? See
I don't
that?
know what that was, man.
Yeah, they were looking at the BMW. I know that, but that's crazy. Shit probably stink. Yeah, that shit's beautiful. Stop lying.
The same with Gap. You think that?
I don't know where they went.
Orange.
Yeah, that shit looks crazy.
Oh, that BMW over there for sale. Let them know you want it.
Which one? BMW for sale? The gray one?
Yeah.
I'll trade him my Volkswagen for it. You think he'll go for that? Finally stopped raining. I like the M3 more.
Yes.
Oh, that's the one I was just looking at.
Oh, yeah.
They're selling it? You think they'll take my trade?
Brooklyn Gray.
This shit is crazy though.
Yes.
$21,000 in aftermarket.
Yeah,
I'm gonna look at these over here. Yeah, nah. I don't know, these shits cost a couple dollars.
Everything. I do a maintenance, so I got 992 cup also. Yeah. I have 991.2 GPRS and a 997.1 GPRS.
That thing is crazy.
Do it one by one or just curl up like that?
So I take all the way.
See, that color is fire. $10 likes, and I'll buy M3.
Came with the Razorhead.
10 likes. What's your social?
The highest loan I can take out.
What's your social? If my battery died, I'm go back to my car and get a new one. Oh, the car's not on.
You're just going out of space, babe.
I know I don't even have the money to like have a say so, but if I did have the money, I wouldn't go Porsche. I'd rather like go like BMW and bust it down. Yeah, they round, right? They're like real round. It's a Jet 2 holiday.
Nothing, bitch. Oh, that's true.
J Money here.
Yo, we about to get something to eat, y'all. They finally cleared up and we're just. We about to get island wings. We've been sitting in the car for like probably 20 minutes now. The car still was cool, but I mean, it's kind of like, once you see everything, like, what are you doing, you know what I'm saying? It's a Jet 2 holiday.
Nothing, bitch. Oh, damn. Unky. That's grandfather.
That was a little dangerous.
But I had to catch myself.
Yo, I thought a bug flew in here. It's a Jet 2 holiday.
Nothing beats.
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Nothing beats a Jet 2.
I'm trying to fix this. Huh?
Where that homeless lady at though?
Nah, for real, yo. This is exactly where we were. Yo. Trying to walk around.
Hey, where's that one that I make those?
I make those. Nah, for real, where you at? This is where my car broke down at, yeah, huh? Yeah, I gotta give him, I gotta. That's OD.
You need to leave.
Probably got spark plugs in there.
Spark it, make it pop.
Make it flame.
Yeah. That's just OD though. Imagine that being your neighbor.
Usually when you
it like.
Somebody shit sounds disgusting.
I don't even like that.
Yeah, it's just OD.
This shit gonna get shut down. Just because of that.
Yeah.
You good over there? Shit's gonna get shut down.
Yeah. This ain't gonna last long.
Not long at all.
Not long at all. Not with them acting like that. Y'all wanna walk around when we can, or? Yeah.
Do you have your
Bring a
bag?
shot.
Like my,
Your bag?
no. You told me to leave it.
You should brought the
You
bag.
have like.
I don't got my
Here,
bag, but I got my, oh yeah. It's in there. Y'all, we just went and got something to eat.
It's giving that today. Like, oh, I'm
Yeah,
here.
it really is.
I'm just trying to. Where's my drink at? I'm not gonna lie.
About to shut that shit down.
If all she needs is a drink, hey bro, I was airing up and I pressed the button and it was like, the nigga was like,
that
oh my
bad?
god, he's on back.
Yo.
And the nigga was like, damn, that shit is clean. And I aired it out and that shit, he was like, oh my god.
Oh my God, it's on that.
Oh my god. I was like, yeah, this nigga's a dick rider. Sorry, I'll take you. Pause.
Yo.
Yeah, that was good. That was
Hey, yo.
don't put that in.
Nah, I'm putting that shit in there. Putting that shit in there. Fire coming out of this shit. Fucking chaos. What the fuck? It's gonna blow up.
Ay, dígamelo, bonito, cuánto quieres por la cosita, por fuerte se te ve bonito, eres malito,
Damn.
ven, dame el chiquito, ay, ay,
Did you see it? This shit pure chaos. Nah, you wild. Hey. Why is the nigga on the roof? I'm surprised the cops ain't came yet. Go ahead, back up. Yo, somebody, they stole his car. They. Well.
Oh, literally.
Hey, as long as nobody take my shit, I might be on you.
What is
I
that?
saw,
Oh.
hey, I saw a bunch of people running. I don't know what for.
Yeah, I thought he took his car.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I was about to
Cause the dude was, I thought he stole his car because he was chasing him.
That sucks. That's he's so excited.
He feels so big and bad.
so excited.
Leave that in.
Now they want it.
Yeah.
You gonna get taken
They
down.
gonna take my shit down.
This nigga shit.
Yo, the mic's on me, buddy.
This is slow nigga.
The mic's on me.
Oh shit.
They can't even hear you. Go ahead, say that again.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get hit.
Now they can hear you. When you talking by me, they can hear you.
Yes.
They can hear
Nigga
everything.
slow as fuck.
I feel like they started
I'm gonna play the clip.
Yes.
I thought the motherfucker was gonna run somebody.
My clip.
I'm surprised.
They didn't even know you said
I
that.
thought
was
we were
shitting
done.
bricks. I thought we were cooked.
Drink.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They shut down with me.
You're chaos out there, yo. I can't even think out there.
Yeah, I like.
Was that watermelon?
No.
It's the watermelon.
It's mango. Because all the fucking chicken.
Apparently the cops are here, y'all. Now everybody wants to scatter. Now everybody want to leave. All right, Jet 2.
That's the thing. We don't know the like. They probably have an Instagram where they say what's going next. Watching it clear out is
Bro,
like.
I seen 10
Yo, ain't that
cars.
your boy? Oh, is this nigga directing traffic? I don't know. They got this nigga directing traffic. Hey. Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
This car was wrapped in a cigarette, the Marlboro. Y'all, that was like, that's like 2 different vibes in one video. We went from the unk meat to the young nigga meat.
See, if Meeks were like that more.
Somebody hit your car.
Hit you. Shit.
Niggas be getting hit.
Walk past the car, shoot shit flaming out of it. That's why I was not walking past behind nobody's car.
Yo, oh, this is the new channel. I keep forgetting this is a new channel. I've been talking to them like they already know me. My next video, I think my next video is gonna be either a mod list or me putting something else in my car. Yeah, if you're new here, the video is not over yet, but if you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe because there is gonna be a lot more. I wanna post once or twice on this channel a week. At least bare minimum once a week on this channel. And if you're from my other channel, then everything that is not related to being in the truck is what this channel is gonna be. Everything. So, yeah. Oh, Amir's up there too. I'm gonna catch him. I'm gonna get it right. They can hear
Nigga
everything.
slow as fuck.
I feel like they started
I'm gonna play the clip.
Bro, who's at the crash?
Hey, Amir, I know you watching this video. I just fried this shit out with you, nigga. And that is recorded on 4K recording equipment. So you just got cooked in 4K, all right? I just want you to know that. Let me turn my shit back on. And I thought he had me in the beginning. You had me in the beginning, but I had to lock in. That's the reason you would beat me every other time before, as a matter of fact. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. All right, y'all. I was just editing that video and I noticed that I actually didn't do an outro. So, yeah, if you made it this far, go ahead and like the video. Yeah, subscribe if you made it this far. Like the video. I'm actually recording my next video right now. I'll probably post it. What was I saying? I didn't do an outro. This is my outro. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Recording my next video right now. If you like this video, you would definitely like my next video. So make sure you come back for the next one. I don't know exactly when I'll be posting it, actually. I think I started to say when I would be posting it, but I don't know. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Yes, sir.
You come stay the night with me. You come stay the night. You come stay the night.